Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. To class, today is our unit number 11 and the topic is the moon from your book Amazing Science. This is your Amazing Science book by Oxford. Unit number 11, the moon. The moon is about a quarter of the size of the earth. Quarter means one part of the earth, means 1/4 part of the earth. The moon is about a quarter of the size of the earth. The moon. The moon is 400,000 kilometers away from the earth. Moon is 400,000 kilometers away from the earth. जो moon है वो अर्थ से 400,000 किलोमीटर्स दूर है. It moves round the earth. It moves round the earth. ये move करता है अर्थ के इर्द गिर्द. It takes the moon about 28 days to go once round the earth. The moon takes about 28 days to go once, यानी एक दफ़ा जाने के लिए round the earth. अर्थ के इर्द गिर्द जो एक चक्कर मुकम्मल करने के लिए the moon takes 28 days. It is about a quarter of the size of the earth. और ये अर्थ के साइज से सिर्फ एक क्वार्टर साइज का है. मून का साइज जो है वो अर्थ से क्वार्टर साइज है. The earth and the moon. You can see this is the earth and this is the moon. The moon has flat plains and high mountains. The moon has flat plains and high mountains. It has deep holes which are called craters. It has deep holes which are called craters. We learned that the moon is 400,000 kilometers away from the earth and it takes 28 days to go once around the earth, and it is about a quarter of size of the earth, and the moon has many flat plains and high mountains and deep holes, the holes which are called craters. You can see this is the closest picture of the moon. Craters of moon. You can see these are the big holes on the moon. There is no air on the moon. Moon में air नहीं होती. There are no living things on the moon. और moon पे कोई भी living thing नहीं होती. The moon does not have its own heat and light. Moon जो है वो उसकी अपनी heat और light नहीं होती. It gets light from the sun. It gets light from the sun. और ये sun से रोशनी लेता है. Let's read it again. There is no air on the moon. There are no living things on the moon. If there is no air, then how a living thing can survive on the moon? So that's why there is no air on the moon. That's why the living things cannot survive on the moon. So there is no living things on the moon. The moon does not have its own heat and light. It gets light from the sun. इसकी अपनी heat और light नहीं होती, and it gets light from the sun. The moon gets light from the sun. You can see that the moon is in front of the sun and it is taking light from the sun. Now let's read phases of the moon. We can see the moon best at night. हम रात में सबसे बेहतरीन चांद को देख सकते हैं. Have you noticed that the moon seems to change shape as the months goes by? क्या आपने कभी ये नोटिस किया है कि मून की जो शेप्स हैं वो चेंज होती जाती हैं जैसे जैसे मंथ जो है वो गुजरता जाता है. दिस इज़ बिकॉज द मून ऑल्सो मूव्स अराउंड द अर्थ. ये क्यों होता है? बिकॉज मून ऑल्सो मूव्स. मून जो है वो भी मूव करता है अराउंड द सन. पहले हमने पढ़ा द मून टेक राउंड द अर्थ. नाउ वी आर रीडिंग दैट the moon also moves round the sun. The moon moves round the earth and also moves round the sun. As it moves, the sunlight falls on part of its surface. और जैसे ये सन के इर्द गिर्द घूमता है तो जो सन की लाइट है वो इसकी सरफेस पे, इसकी सतह पर पड़ती है. The shape that we see depends on how much of the moon is lit up by the sun. और जो शेप हमें सन की नज़र आती है वो डिपेंड करती है कि मून के कितने हिस्से पे जो है वो उसने सन से रोशनी ले ली है. The changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. The changing shapes of the moon, जो मून की बदलती हुई शेप्स हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? We called it phases of the moon. दोबारा से let's read it again. What is phases of the moon? We can see the moon best at night. Have you noticed that? The moon seems to change shape as the month goes by. This is because the moon also moves round the sun. As it moves, the sun's light falls on part of its surface. The shape that we see, जो शेप हमें इस मून की नज़र आती है, जो हम देखते हैं, डिपेंड्स ऑन, इस पे डिपेंड करती है हाउ मच ऑफ द मून, के मून ने कितनी इज लिट अप बाय द सन, कितनी रोशनी सन से ले ली है. द चेंजिंग शेप्स ऑफ द मून are called phases of the moon. So what is the phases of the moon? The changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. This is full moon, half moon, new moon. Sometimes it looks round like a ball as the full moon. This is called a full moon. Sometimes we see only half of the moon. This is called a half moon. Sometimes we see only half of the moon. This is called a half moon. Sometimes we see only a small part of the moon. It looks like a banana. You can see the small part of the moon that looks like a banana. So this is called a crescent moon. Clear? Like full moon looks like a ball. Half moon is the half, only when we see only half moon, half of the moon, this is called half moon. And when the new moon, very small part of the moon, it looks like banana and it is called crescent moon. Now come to the activities. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question A is, how far away is the moon from the earth? And the answer is, the moon is 400,000 kilometers away from the earth. How many days does the moon take to go once round the earth? Now you have to write the answer in this line. The moon takes about 28 days to go once around the earth. Question C is, what are the deep holes on the moon called? The deep holes on the moon, the deep holes are called craters. Does the moon have air? The moon has no air. Does the moon have its own heat and light? The moon does not have its own heat and light. So this was our question answers. Now the question number 2 is, label the phases of the moon. Number A is new moon, crescent moon or new moon. Number B is half moon and number C is full moon. The both name are correct of the new moon and crescent moon. This is your worksheet. Phases and illustration. New, waxing crescent, first quarter. These are the names of moon, shapes of the moon, phases of the moon. First quarter, waxing gibbous, full, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent. And now you can see that the light from sun is falling on the moon and north pole. This is earth's rotation and this is moon taking around. So waning crescent, new moon not visible, waning crescent, third quarter, Okay, from this side, new moon not visible, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter and waning crescent. So this was our unit number 11. So you have to learn this lesson learn the reading of this lesson and learn the question answers of this from this unit. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.